Hi, everybody. I just want to show you two things that you're going to need for this mini assignment. One of them is how to make the screen look bigger if you need to. For you, that might not be a big deal on this, but if there is text on it, sometimes the text can be a little bit small. And if you're old, well, like me, you need it anyway. So a way that you can increase the size of the screen is to go to View and go to Zoom. So you can either increase it by percentages or you can either come down here and zoom in and out. There's not much in between 100 and 200% here, right? You can't really change it, but you can increase the visibility of the screen that way. Okay, so that's the first thing. The second thing is this excuse me, activity calls for drawing arrows from one thing to the next. So that's not that hard of a thing to do. It's not difficult at all. So you go up to, well, surprisingly, the picture of the arrow, click on the drop-down menu and click on arrow. Now you'll see that when you do that, you will get a crosshair, right? And so it's down here on the bottom. You'll have a crosshair. And in order to do it, you just drag the crosshair, use the pad, and drag. And there's your arrow, okay? Now, you can change the color of the arrow, and you can change the thickness of the arrow by coming up here. Okay, so let me back out of that. Let me show you what I did again. Okay, so I went up to line. I selected arrow. I waited for I need to have the crosshairs. If it disappears, just do it again. Put the crosshair where you want the arrow to start from and pull it. And there's your arrow. Now, that's okay, right? It would work perfectly fine, but I would like it, say I want to change the color. I can go up to line color, up in the menu list, and right next to it is line weight, and I can change the size of that arrow. There you go. It's pretty simple. Thank you, everybody.